So most people search for Filecoin in Binance and they do not find it because there is no such thing as Filecoin in Binance. To search for Filecoin, you want to write FIL in Binance, then only it's gonna be shown. If you write FILE, it's not gonna be shown. If you write FIL, it's gonna be shown. And how you guys can do that is I'm gonna be showing you guys, so follow the steps. First step, you want to go to Binance.com, which is the official website of Binance. Once you go over there, you want to log in into your account. And now from there, if you guys want to sign up into Binance, you guys can use our referral link to get up to $10 bonus as well. Now, once you come into Binance.com and log in into your account, you want to click on trade and you want to go on advanced. Once you click on trade and you go on advanced, basically you want to click on this arrow looking icon. But before that, you want to be in this buy section, which is this green section over here, alright? If you are in red, it means sell. If you are in green, it means, buy. So you want to click on this arrow and you want to search for Filecoin, which means FIL. Right, for FIL when you're searching for Filecoin, alright? These four are only Filecoin, FILDO, and these last one are not Filecoin, alright? Remember that when you're buying Filecoin, only click on the one which says FIL. Now there's a lot of option because it says /BTC, which means I'm going to be buying Filecoin using Bitcoin, and it says /USDT, which means I'm buying Filecoin using USDT, stablecoin, and it means BUSD, which means I'm going to be buying Filecoin using Bangladeshian dollars, and BNB means I'm going to be buying Filecoin using Binance coin, alright? So you want to choose on the one whichever you want to use. So let's say I'm going to use Filecoin buying USDT. So I'm going to click on USDT, which means I'm going to buy Filecoin using USDT. And for one Filecoin, it's about $80 in USDT. So let's say I'm going to buy 10 Filecoin. My total is about to be $808. And after that, I'm going to click on buy FIL, which means my Filecoin will be bought. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can buy Filecoin in US dollars, or in another word, how you guys can buy Filecoin in Binance. Hope you guys were able to understand it.